Gauzy released its full year 2024 financial results, showing a revenue increase of 33% from the previous fiscal year at $103 million. However, it reported a net loss of $53.2 million and EPS of $4.11, missing analyst estimates by 31%. Despite this, revenue is forecast to grow 33% annually over the next 3 years, compared to a 7.2% growth forecast for the electronic industry in the US. The light and vision control technology company experienced significant growth in the fourth quarter of 2024, with revenues increasing by 41.8% compared to the prior year quarter, primarily driven by strength in the safety tech and architecture divisions, as well as strong performance in aeronautics. Gross profit for the quarter increased by 81.4%. Initial guidance for full year 2025 expects revenues to be in the range of $130 to $140 million. Gevo is making progress with its renewable natural gas, RNG, which is expected to improve further in 2025. The alcohol-to-jet 603 ATJ-60 project continues towards financial close in 2025, with a conditional commitment for a loan guarantee totaling $1.462 billion from the U.S. Department of Energy's Loan Programs Office. Gevo is also growing its Verity business, delivering tracking and tracing solutions to the market while expanding customer base and achieving revenue. The ethanol to olefins ETO project continues to advance patented ETO technology designed to convert ethanol into drop-in, bio-based hydrocarbon fuels and chemicals at lower capital and operating costs. Meanwhile, Gevo North Dakota reported $150 million in revenue from its carbon capture and sequestration (CCS) and low-carbon ethanol assets in the last fiscal year, with an expectation of contributing $30 to $60 million annually to Gevo's carbon business. The facility produces approximately 67 million gallons of low-carbon ethanol, over 230,000 tons of low-carbon animal feed and vegetable oil, and captures more than 160,000 tons of biogenic carbon dioxide annually through a fully permitted Class 6 CCS well. With an ethanol 45Z tax credit set to take effect in 2025 and expire in 2027, the facility's low carbon intensity score is expected to attract further development in the emerging market for carbon abatement products. Then the quantum technology industry is experiencing growth with key stocks like D-Wave Quantum, IonQ, Quantum Computing, and Rigetti Computing, rising significantly in value as investors respond positively to recent earnings reports. This trend appears set to continue as the major AI conference, NVIDIA GPU Technology Conference, GTC 2025, is scheduled from March 17th to 21st. It will feature a keynote speech by NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang, followed by a panel discussion on the future of quantum computing with industry executives. Soundhound AI is participating in GTC, showcasing their next-gen in-vehicle voice assistant leveraging generative AI on the edge, with NVIDIA Drive AGX and the first-ever in-car voice commerce ecosystem. Soundhound will also be featured in Oracle's booth showcasing their dynamic drive-through food ordering solution powered by Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, OCI. iRobot, known for its Roomba vacuums, has cast doubt on its ability to continue as a going concern, warning of substantial doubt, following a more than 23% decrease in revenue in fiscal 2024 compared to the previous year, coupled with an annual net loss of $145.5 million. The company stated there could be no assurance of success for new product launches due to factors like consumer demand, competition, macroeconomic conditions, and tariff policies. To learn more about iRobot's struggles and strategies to adapt, as well as coverage of other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.